Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Shubhi. Here I make some beauty and lifestyle related content. So if you are interested, then please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon next to it so that you get notified whenever I post a new video. So in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys the products I bought from the Nykaa Pink Friday sale. So without any further delay, let's just quickly jump into the video. So इस बार नायका पे इतनी अच्छी सेल थी. The offers were so good. I went all crazy and I literally bought so many stuffs. I have more than 10 boxes and 30 plus items. Not kidding. And now I'm all broke. Okay, so now I'm gonna randomly show you guys the products. I'm not gonna follow any particular order. So the first thing which comes in my hand is Lakme Absolute Blur Perfect Makeup Primer. This is how it looks like. This is like an OG primer. Everybody have it, maybe. मुझे ये बहुत टाइम से खरीदना था और इस बार इस पे 50% ऑफ था, so I had to get it. This is how it looks like. I never used Lakme ka primer. Okay, next up I have Nykaa Skin Shield Anti-Pollution Foundation. This is how it looks like. And I am in the shade 08 Pure Olive. And I think it's a perfect match for me. ये मेरी स्किन कैसे दिखाऊं? ये मेरी स्किन पे बहुत अच्छे से जाएगा. Next I have Bronzin Professional Eyebrow and Face Razor. This is the pack of 3. And this is how the razors looks like. I recently started shaving my face, so I needed some new razors, so I got this. Also, it was on 50% off. Next up, I have this Batiste Instant Hair Refresh Dry Shampoo. This is how it looks like. It is in the variant of Divine Dark. It also comes in a variant original, which is without any color, but I got it in like dark brown color. Next up I have this Insight Pore Minimizer Primer. This is how it looks like. It's like dupe, maybe the packaging was dupe of Benefit Professional Primer. I have heard some really good reviews about this, and it's also very affordable, so I got it. Next up I have 2 body washes from the same brand called Liril. This is how it looks like. The first one is Liril Cooling Mint Body Wash and the second one is Liril Berry Blast Body Wash. I got it for like 100 rupees each. Let me tell you all about the smell. It smells really sweet and like, I can't explain, but it's very good. I didn't like the smell of this one. So yeah, I got these 2 body washes. Next I have Ramson's You Are Lovely perfume. I saw this perfume in Mridul Sharma's video, जहाँ पे वो उनके फ्रेंड्स गेस करते हैं प्राइस. So she included all the high-end perfumes, but इकलौता एक ये परफ्यूम था जो कि I can afford. So the way, this looks very fancy, huh? Too strong. It smells pretty decent. I am not a huge fan of it, and I also don't hate it. So next I have this Wadi Hubbles Pure Rose Water. You're getting 250 ml of product for rupees 175, which is I think pretty affordable. पर इसमें बहुत ही तगड़ी वाली रोज की fragrance है, and if you don't like fragrances in your mist, so stay away from this. Next up I have Minimalist Bestseller Kit, in which I got 3 products. Their face wash, cleanser, their vitamin C face serum and moisturizer. तो सबसे पहले let me show you guys their cleanser. This is how it looks like. I never tried this brand, but I have heard some really good reviews about it, so I'm very excited to try. This is the second product, which is vitamin C face serum, and lastly I have their moisturizer, which looks like this, this is like oat moisturizer. Let me show you all how it looks like. This is how the product looks like. This is very moisturizing and hydrating, plus very lightweight. So if you have oily skin, I think you will love it. Next up I have 2 lashes from the brand Swiss Beauty. This is how they look like. I got the variant Posh and Royal. ये रॉयल वाला थोड़ा ज़्यादा ड्रामेटिक है, and the Posh one is more on subtle side. वैसे तो मेरी आंखें बहुत छोटी हैं, मेरे पे सारी लैशेस बहुत ही ड्रामेटिक लगते हैं. So yeah, I got these 2 lashes from Swiss Beauty. Then next up I have 4-5 things from Elf Cosmetics. Elf Cosmetics पे buy one get one offer चल रहा था, so I bought their 5 products. Let me show you all one by one. So the first thing which I got from Elf Cosmetics is their Flawless Satin Foundation, and I got in the shade Buff 250 Buff, and let me swatch it for you. I think this is a bit lighter for me, but we'll make it work. Too light for me. Maybe it's a waste, but let's see. Okay, तो ये हो गया foundation. Next up I have their concealer. This is Elf 16-hour Camo Concealer. I have heard a lot of good things about this concealer. This is like a full coverage. And I really like this doe foot applicator. Let me swatch it for you all. This is like a perfect shade for me. Like, can you see? Then next I have their face palette in the shade or variant Lychee. I love the name. Lychee is my favorite fruit. Okay, so this is how it looks like. I'm trying to open it. This is how the shade looks like. It's very pretty peach color blush and a highlighter. Let me swatch the blush. Can you see? It's very light and peach color blush, and the highlighter, oh my god, it's very good. Ooh, it's very blinding. Let me swatch the highlighter. The highlighter is also very like peach color highlighter, peach or rose gold highlighter. Next up I have their eyeliner pen, Elf Cosmetics eyeliner pen, black obviously. Oh, I forgot to show you all. This is how it looks like. It's jet black in color. I really like the tip of it. It's very like felt tip. Then lastly I have their bite size eyeshadow palette. मुझे इस पे कोई ऑफर नहीं मिला. Firstly let me show you all. मुझे इस पे कोई ऑफर नहीं मिला क्योंकि I bought it before the sale. I bought some products before the sale gets started. I'll show you all what all I have got. तो बिफोर सेल इस पर कुछ भी ऐसा ऑफर नहीं था, बट फिर भी मैंने ले लिया क्योंकि मुझे चाहिए था ये वाला बाइट साइज आई शेडो पैलेट. तो दिस इंक्लूड्स वेरी ब्यूटिफुल प्रिटी कलर्स. लेट मी स्वॉच इट. It's looking so pretty. So this was their bite size eyeshadow palette. Next up I have two brushes, like face brushes from PAC Cosmetics. Firstly I have this PAC Cosmetics का foundation blending brush. These brushes are like investment. एक ब्रश मेरे को 500 का पड़ा, जिसमें कि Amazon पे 2-3 ब्रशेस का सेट आ जाएगा, which I already have. In the background also I have the set of brushes from Amazon, but I think it will last you forever, plus it will blend the product very seamlessly, and कुछ तो बात होगी तभी महंगा है. Maybe I'll try it. And let you guys know if it's really worth your money, और Amazon वाले brushes से भी उतना ही काम होता है. Next I have this concealer brush from PAC, PAC Cosmetics. Opening is such a struggle. ओके, तो इसमें क्या है कि मुझे पता नहीं है ऐसा आता ही है या फिर मेरा प्रोडक्ट डैमेज था. इट इज़ लाइक वेरी फ्लैट. कैन यू सी? इट्स वेरी फ्लैट. मुझे जहाँ तक लगता है ये गोल होता है, पर आई थिंक ये सही हो जाएगा यूज़ करते करते. या ये PAC 219 कंसीलर ब्रश. Use it and let you guys know if it's really worth your money. Next I have another eyeshadow palette from Wet n Wild in the variant Nude Awakening. I already have Wet n Wild का Rose in the Air palette, which I absolutely love. वो palette मेरा favorite है. Wet n Wild के products वैसे भी बहुत अच्छे होते हैं, especially their eyeshadows, lipsticks, concealer, powder, everything. I love Wet n Wild as a brand. Let me swatch some shades for you all. magenta shade. Then we have dark maroon shade. Then we also have a jet black color. Ooh, it looks so dark. So this was eyeshadow palette from Wet n Wild. Next up I have Nykaa Naturals Lavender and Chamomile Calming Face Wash. To be really honest, I just bought it for color, but I think I've used it once and I think it's very decent face wash, very affordable also. I got it for like 80 rupees and it priced at rupees 140. You're getting 100 ml of product for 140 rupees from the brand Nykaa, so I think it's worth it. So next up I have Love Beauty and Planet Coconut Water and Mimosa Flower Aroma Volume and Bounty Shampoo. ये मेरा सेकेंड बॉटल है. आई हैव ऑलरेडी फिनिश्ड वन, नॉट फिनिश्ड, इतना बचा हुआ है, बट आई रीस्टॉक्ड इट बिकॉज इट वॉज ऑन 50% ऑफ. सो मेरे पास इसके लिए ज़्यादा कुछ कहने को है नहीं, पर ये मेरा दूसरा बॉटल है तो आप लोग को समझ में आ ही गया होगा कि आई रियली लव इट, इट वर्क्स वंडर. नेक्स्ट अप आई हैव Nykaa Wanderlust French Lavender Body Lotion. This is how it looks like. Firstly, I bought this because of the color and I love the smell of it. It's so good. Also, this lotion is very moisturizing and very hydrating, and it's just for rupees like 450. You're getting 300 ml of product for 450, and I think it's worth it. I love it. I love it so much. It's my favorite body lotion. Okay, so next up I have a L'Oreal Paris Extraordinary Oil Serum. This is a hair serum. I got the bigger bottle, like 100 ml bottle. It's for rupees 499. I got it for like 35% off, and usually I haven't seen it on 35% off. I have heard people raving about this, so I had to try it out. Yeah. Next up I have Plum Body Loving Body Oil in the variant Vanilla Vibes, and I wanted to try body oil, like मतलब क्या स्पेशल होता है इसमें, smell nahi aa rahi. And by the way, if you are from my Instagram, you would know I had posted a story about these two, कि मैं खरीदूँ या नहीं खरीदूँ, but I bought it. Okay, so we are all done with the products. Now we are only left with lipsticks, and I have 10 lipsticks. See, I bought like 10 shades of lipsticks. Let me show you all one by one. Firstly, let me clean all this so that I can swatch the lip shades. Also, if you want the tutorial of this look, let me know in the comment section below. I'll post it for you guys. Okay, so for lipsticks, I have 10 lipsticks and 5 is from Maybelline. Let me show you all one by one. So the first two lipsticks are Maybelline New York Sensational Liquid Matte. These two, the first shade is Sensationally Me and the second one is To the Fullest. So yeah, these two shades. Let me swatch it for you all. This is Sensationally Me, I think. This is 08 Sensationally Me. This is like a very pretty pink color. Very pretty pink nude color. I really like this one. And the second one is To the Fullest, which is like corally, not corally, orangey red color. It's not like pure red. पता नहीं यार, कैमरे में रेड दिख रहा है, मेरे हाथ में ऑरेंज प्लस रेड दिख रहा है. I don't know. It's like this is the shade To the Fullest. Then I have two lipsticks from Superstay Matting collection. These two. The first shade is 305 Unconventional. This is coral color, coral orangey color. This is the swatch of it. Corally nudish color. Next I have shade 50. नाम क्लियर नहीं लिखा हुआ है इस पे. I'll mention it on the screen. This is like a dark wine color. Let me swatch it here. This is how the shade looks like. I think winters में ये dark wine colors काफ़ी अच्छे लगते हैं. So last one is from Maybelline Superstay Ink Crayon. This is also wine plum kind of shade. And the shade name is Settle for More. The shade name is Settle for More. And this is how the swatch of it looks like. It's like wine, berry, plum. I can't define. This is how the swatch. Next up I have Inside Cosmetics Shade non-transfer lip color. I have two shades with me. One is 01 Joyful, second one is 06 Angel Red. Let me swatch Angel Red first. I have heard कि ये MAC की Ruby Woo का dupe है. Like it's very beautiful, I think. Let me swatch it here. Oh, it's actually really beautiful red color. What do you guys think? It's beautiful, no? The second color is this 01 Joyful. This is like brown color lipstick. Here is the swatch. It's very light brown, मिट्टी color I think. पता नहीं. I don't like the shade of this one. Then next I have a lipstick from Nykaa So Creme collection. This is how it looks like in the shade Daydreaming, and it's very beautiful pink color. I'm swatching it here. See, this is the swatch, like very beautiful pinky mauve nude. It's the shade Daydreaming. Here's the swatch. Next up I have Flower Beauty Miracle Matte Lip. This is in the shade, कहाँ लिखा है भाई shade? Yeah, Crimson Touch. This is in the shade Crimson Touch. ये भी रेड और ऑरेंज टाइप का ही शेड है. Let me swatch it here. It's like more of red and orange mix. Can you see? And lastly we have Revolution London Matte Lipstick. I love this kind of color. Let me swatch it first. This is like very pretty brown nude color. This is the swatch of it. It's very pretty brown color. I really love this color, and this is in the shade Demean R. पता नहीं. I think I'm pronouncing it right. It's like matte Demean R 127. In case if you want to check it out. Okay, so that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching it, and if you did, please please don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends and family, and if you haven't subscribed me, do it right now. And what else? Comment down below and tell me which video you want to see next. Till then, bye bye, love you.